baking in the Total Control is fantastic. We're going to do a little dessert. I'm using plouts, which is a cross between a plum and an apricot. We're going to do basically a crumble, okay? So I just scored it. There's a little bit of a seed in the center. We're just going to cut around that and get thin little slices. I'm using the ramekins right here. We're just going to butter those on the inside. And then after we butter the centers here, I'll shingle the plouts and then top it with simple streusel topping. Now the great thing about the AGA Total Control oven, whenever you're baking, roasting, anything in the oven, it really retains most of the moisture of the food item that you're cooking. So by not having an exposed heat source, it doesn't dry foods out. Very forgiving for your baking too, so you don't have to worry about whatever your set time is right to the minute. You can give it a few minutes, you're not going to dry things out. Unless, of course, if you totally forget them, then sure. So I'm just going to line my ramekin, and we're going to shingle this around for a nice presentation. And then this is a streusel mixture, which is a little bit of butter with some light and brown sugar and flour. That'll add a nice flavor to it. Okay, now these will probably take just about 22 minutes or so in the bake oven at 350.